Are you our healthcare heroes who are continuously saving lives but at the same time saving your business? If you own any rental properties, own clinics, or even receiving 1099s, this virtual workshop is meant for you. Hi, I'm Christopher, an immigrant, CEO and founder of Wyco Tax, a Texas-based company that offers all year round, all-in-one tax payroll bookkeeping service solution. We have processed approximately $10 million of tax refunds, EIDL, and PPP funds. We are conducting a 2-hour virtual workshops enabled for you to save more taxes, get to know more of the home office deductions, and the underutilized the 5-year business refund under the CARES Act. More than a business owner, I'm also a nurse by profession, so I feel how difficult and frustrating it is to work and to run your business at the same time. So let me help you. As you continuously saving lives, we will help you to save more time and headache on cutting those taxes and get the most money possible to run your business. Register today.